Good afternoon to each and everyone. I'm Jaymar Basang Echevarria from Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Block 3J, and now I'm going to answer the question what I have learned on this subject, CDI 5, or the Specialized Crime in Legal Medicine. In CDI 5, I learned how to investigate crimes that are more serious and complicated than ordinary cases. These are called specialized crimes because they are needed special knowledge, techniques, and laws. Well, first, I've learned about death investigations. Well, death investigations, now I now understand difference between homicide, murder, parricide, and infanticide. I learned that each crime has specific elements, and as an investigator, I must know what to look for so the right case can be filed. Second, I studied sex crimes uh, like rape under 8353. I learned that handling these cases needs sensitivity because we are dealing with victims of trauma. Proper evidence collection like medical exams and victim statements are very important. The last one, and also we covered crimes against property such as robbery, theft, estafa, and arson. I learned how to identify the elements of each crime and how to process the crime scene to collect physical evidence like fingerprints or tool marks. In total, in specialized crime investigation, I learned how to handle special crimes like murder, rape, cybercrime, and terrorism using proper laws, evidences, and investigation techniques. And that's all. Thank you.